Kakyang nang ba college Jowai kabala sedang hakasnem khat khandai spa hanriu po hanriu kala rakhe ka lungkhu sanpu prasnem haka khat nyau tarik nai lur ha kijing shakri bajing pen priang ya ka jingnang jingtep bat pule puthi shaki pat ba jong kilum jantia kachar bat mizoram haka jingyat denti jongka ban pensa kan mau ya kani ka lungkhu snem haka history jong kani ka college la pendat ya umau penbena pateng hakani ka sngi la sedang ya ka integrated teachers education program ITEP bat ya ka software hakani ka college hakani ka sngi sakan mau la dan lang menteri ka puli puthi rakam isangma UMLA ka Jowai ba wailat miki shilla ba lakmen rumbui chief advisor ka Sarkar Meghalaya bat advisor ka puli puthi ba HM Shangpliang Haka jingkran urakam sangma ulayaro ya kajingat denti kakyang nang ba Government College Jowai. Hakini kisan po prasnem baralit no. Kaba lapan priang ya kajing nang jing start sikiba bon pateng kisam la pule kibalayat lengba nakani ka college. Ulaong ka pule puthi kamut tang banyo kerdan banyo kam Sarkar. Hendrai ban penwandur ya kajing im jinglong breu bat wanra ya kajing mentoy haka im lang salang kumbala bu thong haka National Education Policy NEP arhajar arpau kabalayo ijingai ban penkre ya ka pule puthi haki spas number 1 Uong ru kinong hikai kide kinong penwandur ya ke imlang salang bat ki badan ke jingkit kli ban yarap ya kisamla puli ban kiu irat ha ke jingnang jing start bat ha ka bor ngau thu lengba ka ni ke integrated teacher education program kisamla puli kin yo ke jing hikai ke babyang bat ka babhatam ulakan tu kinong hikai bat ki kmi ki kpa ban ya le shitom ban pha school ya ki khon ki bala pep bat sange no ya ki jing puli jungki Hakani ka sngi lapun ku burom ru ya ka Dr. Sharailin War Solang bat ka Dr. Saralin Karbi. Kibara yo ya ka kerdan PhD ya ka Nena Lembu bat Misonity 2 ki topper haka botany bat physics. Layo ru ki jingkran na uba awalat miki shilla balak men rumbui bat na uba HM Shangpliang.
All right, come on. Just not boulder.
Therefore, the environment, the change from the government college is not much different. And whatever our honorable local MLA has already stated, don't want to repeat again. Whatever he said, we will work together and we will make sure all the work's done at the very earliest. And wanted to tell you, my dear friends, especially the vacancies, the more than 130 plus vacancies across the state in the higher education. By the government college, by the university, the BEd college, and different diet, the more than about 130 plus vacancies. And the order formality is almost completed, and we are going to issue the advertisement very soon. And we will make sure all the vacancies are filled at the very earliest. And we will also make sure about these auditoriums and our extension building, but you have to give times to process. We have seen the dynamics of our politics, what our honorable local level just said. But better late than never. He took the opportunity to thank our honorable former MLA, but he was suffering today. This is what the beauty of our democratic setup. So there are many opposition leaders in the government. I'm not talking about the government. I'm just talking about the entire set of our democratic system. Sometimes the opposition parties never appreciate, never stand with the government. There's a beauty in that. But sometimes I feel that we should be a matured citizens of the country. Who will make it? Therefore, today, let me urge each one of you that the education is the only way forward to make ourselves a matured and a dynamics as we move forward. My dear friends, yesterday we were discussing with some of the press people of the state. I have spoken about back to school campaign of the state of the government. In our state, we are the highest dropout rate in the country. It may be for various reasons and various factors. Therefore, government of Meghalaya, with all involvement of the stakeholders, we have initiated back to school campaign program. I was telling to the press people that, look, there are many beautiful boys and girls. If they are not able to write and read, they will feel embarrassment. Therefore, every individual, every citizen, every teacher, every official will take responsibility to encourage, to inspire, to work to bring all these boys and girls, beautiful boys and girls, bring back to the schools. I was telling, then somebody asked me, sir, what about the ugly people? And he insisted me, so what about ugly people? You don't need to give them education? So I don't have any reply, but I just quoted from the scripture. The scripture says, God created the earth and all creation wonderfully. There is no word ugly in the dictionary of the God creation. Therefore, we are all made beautiful and unique for every one of us. Therefore, somebody may talk about you are beautiful and not beautiful. But the values of life, the quality of a life makes you always a difference. Therefore, the education will really make our society, our people, our individual wonderful and beautiful. Therefore, today as we celebrate 50 years of our Foundation Day, it's time to recall the contribution of our forefathers, the contribution of finance of this college. And many may not be here with us anymore. But the individual, the leaders, the one who has engineered, the architect, the one who designed this entire setup to have this college, will be the first person to be satisfied today, and he will be feel overjoyed. And to see the point of this level and its contribution today, I am sure this college in the last 57 years, in last 58 years, this college has produced a numerous individual who are serving with different position at different level in the various walk of life. They have served the society as a politician. They might have served the society as a teacher. They might have served the society as a pastor, as a father, as a forest priest, as a businessman. But thanks to Almighty that God bless for us the pioneer leaders of our community, of our state, to have this college. Therefore, would like to thank on behalf of the government, the pioneer leaders, the past principals, the professors, the lecturers. And also would like to congratulate all the young people, those who have graduated and serving the society. To this program, is not just an addition to the curriculum, but it represents our collective investment in the future of education in our state and our region. Teachers always call as architect of our society. Through the ITEP courses, we aim to train teachers who are not only well versed in the subject but also equipped with pedagogical skills and ethical grounding necessary to inspire and lead the students in the 21st century. The course is a direct response to National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes holistic and multidisciplinary courses education and the vital role of the teacher in nurturing critical thinking, creativity, and innovative in students. These ITEP programs and many programs to be coming in reply and response, in the reaction to the adoption of the NEP 2020. My friends, the NEP 2020 is to back our nation at the global stage. Look at America and the UK. The difference there. The most powerful country on the earth. Why they are so? Because they are well equipped and the priority is on education. Therefore, in order to catch up, the world scenario today, the new education policy the government of India has adopted so that we make our India a global knowledge center. My dear friends, I'm extremely happy to see the entire setup of this college. As we stated, we will make sure that all the government college in the state should avail all the resources and infrastructure, both for students and the faculty members. My dear friends, many to be done, many has been done. We'd like to thank our Honorable former Education Minister, under his able as a minister in the past, under guidance of Honorable Chief Minister, the entire cabinet. As I've said earlier, many milestone decisions, many initiatives has been already taken. This is to make our state to be the better and the higher. My dear friends, as my request to each of us, education is the only solution for each one of us, for every family, for every individual. Any society, any community, those who are educated, they are all respected, and we will see a difference in the educated people. To the solution, I understand the crisis, the global crisis today, it's an employment, it's a global crisis. It's not about Meghalaya, it's not about India, it's a global crisis. But there are many undiscovered areas. But our skills have to be there. Therefore, it is important for each one of us that every student goes out from the college must have the skills and innovative. Therefore, with that aims, NEP 2020 aims to produce a skills graduate. Education is not only about the job, education is not only about the employment, but education is all about knowing the world better. Today, I would like to congratulate once again the Kyalnama Government College to be the first institution in the state, and we said in the country, right? In the country, it's a really a historic and a milestone achievement for the state. I will thank the principal the past principals and the present principal for taking this decision and taking things forward. And let us continue to make history in producing a dynamic and a quality students in the days to come. Above all, let this college, the testament of this college, be the model that talks about a binding together, reaching out to the people and sending to the masses. My dear young students, as you graduate from this college, be it students, be it the degree students, when you go out of the college, the world, the community, the society is waiting for you. As you go out, let your testimony be the model of your educated individual.